Welcome back to my channel again. Today our topic is operators again, that is operators part 2. In our previous video we have covered the topic almost all the aspects of operators in binary operators and ternary operators, but we didn't discuss unary operators there. So today our topic is unary operators. Unary operators are also called what? Increment decrement operators. What? Unary operators are also called increment and decrement operators. First of all, what is unary operator? Unary operator is what? Any operator which is performing operation on a single operand, that is called what? The unary operator. They are of two types. First is what? Pre-increment decrement, and second is what? Post-increment decrement. Pre-increment decrement, obviously as its name indicates, the operator has to be used before the operand, like plus plus a, decrement, minus minus a. This is the operator, a single operator. This is increment operator and this is what? Decrement operator. And in post increment decrement you need to use first of all the operand, then the operator, like this. And by default it performs any operation by incrementing or decrementing any variable by 1, like, for example, if I have a variable a is equal to 5. Now what is the meaning of this line? I told you in my previous videos also, a is having the latest value, which is what? The 5. If I say a plus plus, it means I am using a variable with increment operator, and that is post increment. Post increment means we are using increment operator after the operand, after the variable. Then it is called what? Post increment. Then it will simply, it's a simple line, it will increase the value of a by 1, that is called what? 6. It will become what? 6. If I say minus minus a, then it will decrease the value, latest value of a by 1. Then it will become again 5. If I say a minus minus again, then it will decrease the value again, that it will become what? 4. Now I am using minus minus a. This is decrement operator. This is pre-decrement operator. It means I am using operator before the operand, but the individual value will remain same. It will by default decrease the value by 1. 3. If I say plus plus a, then it will become obviously 4. It will increase the value. Now you are noticing here, either we are using pre-increment decrement or post-increment decrement. They are operating on a single value, like a plus plus, then it will increase the value. Plus plus a, obviously it will increase what? A single value. Dono hi, they both are doing the same work. Now what is the difference between pre and post increment decrement? They will show their difference when you assign the value into some another variable. Like, if I say int a is equal to 5, okay, then a will have what? 5 as variable, and I am taking one more variable, that is called what? B. Here is b. B will have obviously some garbage value because we haven't assigned any value over here. If I say b equal to a plus plus, b equal to a plus plus, it means post increment. This is what? Post increment. Then first of all a will assign its value into b, 5, and then it will increase itself. Post means after assigning. If I say b equal to a minus minus, again here, if first of all it will assign its latest value into b, here is 6, then it will take what? 6 over here, and then it will decrease itself by 1. Now the latest values of A and B are 5 and 6. But if I use pre-increment decrement here, then what is the difference? Here is A, here is B. A is having what? 5. If I say B is equal to plus A, it means pre-increment. Then first of all, A will increase the value of itself by 1. Then it will assign the latest value into B. And if I do like this, B is equal to minus A, then of course it will assign, it will decrease the value by 1 of itself, 5. Then it will assign it into B. This is the main difference between, now the latest value of A and B are here 5 and 6, but here is 5 and 5. This is the difference between pre-increment decrement and post-increment decrement. Basically, we are using unary operators in loops to make our loops run faster. Now one more example is here. Suppose if I am having what? Int A and B. A is having what? 1 here. Okay. And A and B. If I say B is equal to plus A, then it will, what it will do? It will increase its value because it's a pre-increment. Here is the latest value is 1, then it will become what? 2. Then it will assign the value into B like this. If I say B is equal to A plus, then what it will do? It will first of all assign its value into B, the latest value, that is obviously 2, and then it will increase itself by 3. If I say B is equal to minus A, then first of all it will decrease its value, then it will become what? 2, and then it will assign its value into B, that is latest value is 2. If I say B is equal to A minus, then first of all it will assign its value into B because it's a post decrement, and then it will decrease its value by 1. This is the main difference of pre and post increment decrement. I hope you understand the unary operator. This is called what? The unary operator. Why? Because it always takes one operand as input. And it is very important to understand because it is very widely used, we are using in loops and all the whole programming. I hope you understand the topic. In our next topic, we will cover the identifiers and comments in